for him will be his 30th in the race, establish a new club record. I mean, we'll see if that comes. MLS original, Miami, but there's a history between these. Inter Miami clinched last season, October 2nd, victory in which Messi scored one change to the starting 11 for the crew. Argentine plays ahead, the return by a point. Taking hit deflection, it's out wide. Alley-oop for a goal kick.
It's been a great start, obviously.
Abraham up, looks one-on-one on Wagan. Shuts up, off the line at the latest moment. Now the flag does go up.
It looks as though the flag gone up.
Box, Lionel Messi. Allende trying to get his Morer. Ali with the cello settled in the box. Allende, his chance blocked. Able to work this across. Now Martinez, that's Falcone reaching it. It's coming back for a goal kick. Dangerous doings. A front Salvador. Linsman was challenged by God this season. Messi feeling it. They outplayed them that day. Some metrics to Bo. Just waiting on this. See, what a touch, and the return. Farsi with the trying to get back into. Having Messi with Shambo. Messi tries to escape the pressure. Flag stays down. Aliu on the rock. No, Allen works on arm out. Has been good for about Suarez going for goal and has hit 10 goals in just over with MLS this season already. So the back, Suarez shot down the left. Allende. Now that's smelling glossy though. Gazdara. Messi again. The 18. Messi against Canada in the coming days. Stays down from Messi. Lionel. Oh my! Chips the goalkeeping week. It's been a week-long met from the 8-time Ballon d'Or.
It's one setting the traps. High line, and you can see the right wing back that's playing Messi in line with the rest of the back five. Finish for Messi once again. A quite sensational from Inter Miami. 3 versus 2. It's off. One of you have to go to him.
Aliu as the flag stays down, and breaks it up. He will end day. This now. Messi continues on. Still has it.
Works so much better.
Messi restart and goes over the top. It's in the back of the net. Tadeo stretches the field. Inter Miami. Flat-footed.
They have times as well where there's been space and we've tried to take advantage of it. But if you got there this time as well.
Namowski for Ryan. Able to keep this ball. Played to Segovia. Messi. Up to the 18. Daniel got on most of the night. Brought down by Segovia's Ruben Comedy. Plays this ahead. Haleo shoots. No. Maybe the best chance of the night. Nagby. Martinez and a dangerous free kick opportunity. It's all Diego Rosa winning back. They play it into the box. Suarez, and there's Hagen who got to deny him. It's out for a and Messi. For the post game, Miami as we watch Bellamy. Segovia, Suarez. Luis Suarez was lineage for Inter Miami. In career 2001 professional, and again it's the dynamics the case Wednesday. Ruben in fine fit.
What a beautiful goal. This goal about patience. But Messi, wonderful turn. He plays thinking, okay, Wagan's going to go for it. No, he's going to go for it. So Segovia's.
In all fairness, top of the box. This shot off the foot. Puts this ball in. There's Rossi trying to take. He races. Lionel Messi continues on. Broken up. Into Miami. Suarez. Top of the bat.
They've been looking for Messi and Suarez.
Wide nervous by the punched away. Broke off Aliu. Here's Dylan Shambo on the moves and a go way wide. Intercept by Aliu. With the Martinez yellow card. Austin. No, that's cleaned up. Asking some questions. There's a Sneeko Hagen one-on-one. Then Papico off the bench. To Miami will storm into the cup. Win over one of them, the Eastern Conference.
When you talk about intelligence with understanding and the movement of players, they're on. What a ball to Pico and give great.
Tadio Allende has a miss. This flag stays down for Aliou. That's poked away and still look to get it within one. Old Shabo now. It goes long. Washington looks that. Farsi is. Plays it across. Allen up wide. Suarez service. Egan is there. Jumbo on the free kick. Columbus and for Herrera. Lead to the goalkeeper in homegrown and Florida all night looking for. Finds him. Suarez
Moved up the pitch and down.
To Lionel Messi. Messi shooting. He was going for the hat trick. It's out for a corner. Out the corner first. Box. Kiss. Messi with the steal. Messi parents in the back of the net. Hagen got not enough. Lionel Messi the lead in the and Inter Miami flying now.
Well, what a start from Inter Miami. You just look when this pass comes back to Hagen, all of a sudden he's under a bit of pressure. Messi does really well. It makes him go to his
Messi shooting. He was going for the hat trick. It's out for a corner. Out the corner first. Box. Kiss. Messi with the steal. Messi parents in the back of the net. Hagen got not enough. Lionel Messi the lead in the and Inter Miami flying now.
Well, what a start from Inter Miami. You just look when this pass comes back to Hagen, all of a sudden he's under a bit of pressure. Kramaski does really well. He makes him go onto his left.